Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest questions I keep seeing in the comments of my last video. Do plants actually create nutrients? Or are we just being misled by gardening myths? Some gardeners swear that plants make nutrients from nothing. Others argue that plants can only recycle what's already in the soil. So which one is true? Well, the real answer is far more interesting. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how plants build soil health, where nutrients really come from, and how you can use this knowledge to grow better food and flowers in your own garden. Stick with me, because this one is packed with real, science-based gardening wisdom. First, let's clear up the confusion. Plants are amazing, but they're not magicians. They can't create brand new elements out of thin air. That would break the laws of chemistry. So if plants don't create nutrients, why do so many farmers and gardeners throughout history swear by clover, vetch, comfrey, daikon, and other soil-repairing plants? The secret is this. Plants work together with nature to capture, recycle, unlock, and store nutrients in ways that turn poor soil into living soil. That's the real magic, and it's actually science. Part 1, Nitrogen Fixers. Let's start with nitrogen, because it's the #1 nutrient plants need for growth. Legumes like clover, lupine, vetch, and alfalfa don't make nitrogen on their own. Instead, they form partnerships with bacteria in their root nodules. These bacteria, called rhizobia, grab nitrogen gas from the air, which is all around us but unusable by most plants, and transform it into a form plants can actually use. So in a way, when you plant clover or lupine, you're not just growing a plant. You're recruiting billions of microscopic workers to pull free fertilizer from the sky. That's not a myth. That's nitrogen fixation, and it's how traditional farmers have enriched soil for thousands of years. Part 2, Deep Root Miners. Now what about plants like daikon radish, chicory, comfrey, and sunflowers? These are not nitrogen fixers, but they are incredible miners. Their roots dive deep, sometimes several feet down, into the subsoil layers where nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus are locked away. Shallow-rooted plants can't reach those nutrients, but deep-rooted ones can. Here's the key. When those plants die back, or when you chop and drop their leaves, all those nutrients get recycled right into the topsoil. Suddenly, what was once trapped far below becomes available to your vegetables, herbs, and flowers. So no, the plant didn't invent nutrients. It just unlocked and delivered them where your garden can use them. Part 3, Organic Matter Builders. Next up are the green manure crops. Plants like buckwheat and mustard greens. These don't fix nitrogen from the air, and they don't mine deep minerals. Instead, they build soil in a different way, by adding organic matter. Think of them as fast-growing, quick-to-decompose soil cover. They protect bare soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and when you till them under or compost them, they feed the soil with carbon, sugars, and nutrients that microbes thrive on. This is huge because microbes are the true soil builders. They're the ones who break down plant matter into stable organic material called humus, the foundation of healthy living soil. Part 4, The Big Truth. So let's settle this once and for all. Plants do not create nutrients out of nothing. What they do is capture nitrogen from the air through bacteria partnerships, mine deep minerals and recycle them into topsoil, feed soil microbes that unlock nutrients and build long-term fertility. It's not magic, it's nature's teamwork. And if you know how to use these plants, you can turn even compacted, nutrient-poor ground into soil that's alive, fertile, and resilient. Practical tip section. Here's how you can apply this in your garden. If your soil is sandy and poor, try legumes like clover or vetch for free nitrogen. If your soil is compacted, plant daikon radish or chicory to break it open and mine minerals. If your soil is bare and losing fertility, grow buckwheat or mustard as green manure. If you want a long-term fertility booster, plant comfrey or alfalfa to build deep root systems that last for years. Mix and match these plants, and you'll be working with natural systems instead of against them. That's real regenerative gardening. So the next time someone asks, do plants really make nutrients? You'll know the truth. They don't create nutrients. They make nutrients available, and they build the soil life that keeps fertility going for generations. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe channel and press the bell icon for next updates. See you in next video.